Hey YouTube, I am coming back at you here with showing you my Clear PPF wrap. My other videos I posted, there were some that asked that about whether my Cyber Beast was wrapped, and it is. It's wrapped with a clear wrap. Reason why I did that is because I didn't really want to take away the iconic stainless steel look. I considered matte black and other colors, but then really when I started seeing the matte blacks and other colors, it kind of dulled down the cool iconic look of the Cybertruck. It's kind of like putting a wrap on a DeLorean. And I kind of felt like, again, just my opinion, but I kind of felt like you lost that iconic look of the Cybertruck. So what's great about this wrap is it's PPF. You guys know PPF. There's no fingerprints. It's really great. Cleaning it is a breeze. It doesn't get that dirty, and if it does, all I really use is a no rinse cleaning mixture. Really anything. You can even just put water on it and just dry it off with a drying agent. There's really not much else to cleaning it. Sometimes I'll have to hose it off if I go off-roading, but for the most part, it's awesome having this clear wrap. I did go through someone I met a few years ago that's worked on my other cars. His name is Derek. He's at Cruising, California, auto detailing. It's CCA detailing here in San Diego. He does really a great job. He's very meticulous, very honest, hardworking, just a great guy to deal with. He did the STEK PPF wrap on this, which has a nice hydrophobic layer on there. So cleaning it and putting water on it is really easy. And he even did the PPF on my lights, both of these lights here, as well as the back lights as well, which are covered with PPF. And in my other videos, as I showed you, I put this nice trim vinyl decal myself on there. That was really easy to do, but Derek is willing to do that as well. If you just don't have the time to do it, he can look into doing this for you as well. And we also did the ceramic coating on all the glass in the car, which was really nice. I did that with Derek at California, Cruising, California. And so all the glass you see in the car has been coated with a ceramic coating, which again makes it a lot easier to wash. It doesn't necessarily protect it that much when you're talking about glass, but he was able to ceramic coat it, so it just makes it easier with the hydrophobic layer. We also did ceramic coat the wheels as well, and the trim that was on it, but as you see, I already covered the trim with this nice textured, kind of like a powder coating texture, but it's vinyl from Slip Low. You can see that in my other video. And I just got the wheel covers, so I just put those on, but I still have the wheels coated with ceramic wrap. But yeah, really great job. Love this clear PPF. Preserve the iconic look of the Cybertruck and also give it a nice sheen, nice shine, as you can see, which really makes it kind of pop. Not as dull as the other Cybertrucks that don't have a wrap on them. That stainless steel is dull. The only thing that I would be concerned about if you're doing this is that if there are any imperfections in the stainless steel, which you're going to have because of stainless steel, that just comes with the territory. And if there's any imperfections, you're going to have to buff it out first. And I suggest waiting before you put the PPF on there so it can oxidize. I'll show you pictures of how I had some imperfections on this rear door and this panel here, which were really accentuated when I put the PPF on there. Couldn't really see it that much. You can only see it in certain lights before the PPF, but when I put the PPF on there and certain lights, it was really accentuated. So I actually removed the PPF and took it back to Tesla. And Tesla was great about it. They actually buffed it out. But the problem is, as you can see, there's a little bit of a change in the difference in the stainless steel texture there. And that's because I really didn't wait long enough to put the PPF back on there. I was told by Tesla to wait a little while. They only said a week, which I waited about 5 days, but that's really not enough. You got to wait like a month or two and just really allow it to oxidize before you put the PPF back on there. So I put it back on there. Again, it costs a lot of money to take it off and put it back on. So you have to just be careful and just be cognizant of that. Whatever imperfections you have, get it buffed out first, and just realize, just put it in the sun and see what kind of, and really see how what comes out of it before you put the PPF on there. And this way you can buff anything out that you see is an issue. But that is really the only drawback to Clear PPF. If you see a lot of imperfections, and if you go to Tesla and you still have panels that are off, then just get a dark or a color PPF on there, and that will really take all those issues away. But again, you take away the iconic look of the stainless steel. So I will leave Derek's information in the description. He's here in San Diego. I know he has people from all across other cities that come down from Orange County, Los Angeles, so he's really that good. So yeah, this is my Clear PPF wrap. Really happy with it. Just demonstrating here. Again, see all the beads here that are running down. Really nice hydrophobic layer that the STEK material has. That's what I chose to go with. It's just one of the better brands of PPF out there, and really that's all I do to clean. It's just super easy. It's totally easy to clean. And I typically will finish this off with some type of drying agent. And I did this here locally in San Diego with a guy I got to know that's really doing a great job. I used him before for my other cars. His name is Derek. He's from Cruising, California, and I'll leave his information there. But